Okay, this is a really quick video. I want to show you how to make this block. It's super easy. I made this whole quilt top in one day, including the borders, and it's 80 by 60, I think. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to cut this block. All you need is some kind of striped fabric. Any kind of striped fabric will do, and we'll get started. So I have my striped fabric. As you will notice, it is exactly like the green one, except for it's pink. So just get your fabric out, make sure it's kind of straight, and I'm going to go ahead and straighten one of these edges out real quick. Now you have your two pieces, and this is really simple. You're going to take one piece and you're going to lay it with the stripes going horizontal. The other piece is going to be stripes going vertical, and then you're going to lay it together, and then you're going to sew a 1/4 inch all the way around. I sewed a 1/4 inch all the way around my two squares, and I forgot I had black in there, but that's okay. You can see it better. You're going to take your ruler and you're going to cut this diagonally from corner to corner. And then you're going to do it again, just kind of put them back together. Or you can use a mat that turns if you want. They don't need to be perfect. We're going to trim them down. And so now you have these half square triangles. You're going to take some kind of squaring tool, whether it's a lock block or some other kind. I have my strip tube ruler here. Let me get a thing to put on top of it so I can pick it up. And then I'm just going to lay my line on the 6.5 inch mark on the stitching. And you can see there's plenty of room. And so there's our half square triangle. And it should look like this. My blocks are all trimmed up and I pressed them. So you're going to want to press two of the blocks towards the vertical stripes and two of the blocks towards the horizontal stripes, so they're kind of opposite. And then you're just going to arrange them. That's how your block should look. And so just make sure your seams are kind of opposite each other, and then you're going to sew these two together, and then sew the whole block together, and that's it. Simple, easy, and it should make a 12.5 inch block, and then just put 12.5 inch blank squares or some other kind of fabric in between, and it makes a really fast quilt. Hope you like this. Thanks.